In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an album in your photos on your iPhone. So you want to open up Photos, then you want to go to your albums and see all. Click on the top right to edit and then find that album you want to delete. Click on the minus icon, click on delete, and now it's been deleted. Now, if you already had pictures in your albums, don't worry, they won't be deleted. They are always on your phone, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.